Well, I thought I should show you the belt drive is already going. Yeah, this belt, only after a couple hours of use, I'd say, started to fray and split. And I deburred those pulleys and everything, so I thought the belt looked a little weird. So right in here. Boy, that didn't take long at all. Yeah, so this belt is split on the side in the middle. It's not split on the outside. And we have it set right. There's no rubbing there. There's actually clearance. And it's not split on the back side. It's just down from inside there. And I thought it did look kind of weird, so maybe it was just a defective belt. And the tension set right. It wasn't too loose, it wasn't too tight. But this always happens. To me anyways. Well, this is the belt that came with the belt drive kit. Gates TrueFlex. So it looks like I'll be looking for a new belt. I doubt I'll pick the same one up. But wonder if anybody else had any problems like this with this belt right out of the box. That didn't last very long at all. Maybe had 2 hours use out of that. Yeah, I checked it all out too, and there's no chips, nothing sharp. And it's like it's split from the middle out. I've never seen a belt do that. And I use a lot of different belts. And I've seen what causes different splits and cracks. And never seen this though. I'm just curious because stuff like this baffles me. And I made sure it was set good. And although when I first saw the belt, I didn't think it looked too good because it could have been a defect. I should have examined it more. If anything, I would have thought it would have split from where they joined it. But, yeah, I don't get it. There's no chips, nothing. Well, I'll be looking for another belt. Great. Now, it does say it's for lower horsepower equipment, like anywhere from 3 to 17 horsepower. It has nothing on it for what the RPM rating was, and I think the fastest I ran it was at 1100. It wasn't for very long either at that speed. But yeah, that went super quick. Unbelievable. Yeah, so if any of my viewers or subscribers ever came across any of these belts going, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear about it. I've never seen a belt split from the inside out. So, yeah,